Here's how to send money using the ACE Money Transfer app. First, open the app and log into your account. From the dashboard, tap Send Money. Start by selecting the country you want to send money to. Next, choose your payment method. For example, a debit card, credit card, or bank account. Then select a payout option like bank deposit, cash pickup, or mobile wallet, depending on what's available in that country. Now enter the amount you want to send. The app will show you the exchange rate and the total cost. After that, select an existing recipient or tap to add a new one. Make sure the recipient's name and account details are accurate. Then choose the recipient's bank or add a new one manually if it's not listed. Before finalizing, select a reason for sending the money, like family support, education, or bills. Finally, review all the details carefully and tap Confirm to send. That's it. Your money is now on its way quickly and securely with ACE Money Transfer.